Find somebody to play with. Because one thing about this girl right here, I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out, honey.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl I think
I usually don't do vlogs, but I'm getting ready to go get my hair done, so I want to bring you guys with me. Look at my hair. I used that Revlon brush, but I didn't like really get my edges, so hopefully she don't have a hard time braiding my hair up. But look, y'all. Look, y'all. Sis is trying some color. I am going red on these hoes. I'm so excited. I got this wig from Wig Dealer. I think it's like 20 something inches. It's like 20 something inches, and it's deep wave, and it's a lace frontal. I've never had a frontal. I always get like closures, but I'm getting a frontal and it's red. I'm excited. So I don't know if I'm gonna get like a middle part or a side part yet. What you guys think I should get? I mean, by the time I post this, the hair is gonna already be done, but I want you guys' opinion. So I don't know what I'm gonna get. I think a side part with like some Lola bunny. Y'all, I'm still very much in rare form from yesterday. Our cousins came from out of town to go to a Pirates game, and yesterday and the day before that, baby, we had a time last night, okay?
I just been balling out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the season. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another leader. Time depends and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the deep, ducking the birds, sending out the meat. All of my diamonds bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed her. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a D.
So we went to Chula. Had to take a break from shopping because everybody's hungry as fuck. We went to Chula. It's like a what type of food is this? Indian food, yeah. So I got a lamb wrap and some Samoas. I think that's how they pronounce Samoas. And my sister got a bowl. Their food is so fire. Can I show them your food? Oh, wait. Oh, it look good. Very good. So far. That's trash. Oh, this look fire. This smells good. It smells good. This is what it look like. It's a lamb wrap. Oh, that's good. Real good. Hey y'all, so I'm back from shopping. I've been home for a couple of hours now, actually. So I'm getting ready for the engagement party, and I'm doing my hair. I did not like my hair when it was wet and wavy, but I think this is what's gonna do it for me. Like, this is either gonna make it or break it, but really make it, because I mean, it's already glued down to my head. It's already glued down. So I'm getting ready to try to do like some beach waves, and I'm using this wand curler. This is the biggest barrel. I got this from Amazon. It actually came with this, a crimper, and like 3 other sizes. Let me see. I think I actually got the box down here. This is it right here. When I say live by it, I live by it. Because you can do so many different hairstyles with just this one box. And I think it was only like $30, maybe like $32, something like that. But you can crimp your hair. You can do the big wet. You can do whatever. You can do whatever. So hopefully it turned out cute. I got all the way home and realized that I don't have no hairspray. Like the yellow boho can. I like to spray that on there before I do curls. But we're just going to work it out. So yeah. So I already blow dried it out, like, because it's a wet and wavy, and I literally hate it in wet and wavy. Like, literally hate it. I feel like wet and wavy should be black, jet black. So I'm curling it, and hopefully y'all like how it turned out.
You keep trying, but you find it too long.
But I hope my hair turned out cute, because if your hair is cute, you could wear a fucking garbage bag. That's what my grandma used to tell me. You always supposed to keep your crown intact. As long as your crown is intact, you could put on anything. And you still gonna be the baddest person in the room. That's what she said. I don't see it to be wrong yet. Well, I'm lying because I don't keep my hair done all the time. So I would be lying like a motherfucker if I just tried to sit up here and act like that. But when I'm going somewhere when it matters, no way that just happened. Y'all, I really just dropped this in the fucking toilet. I'm terrified right now. This button right here. So clearly I'm rushing and ended up running out of time. My hair did not turn out like I wanted it to, but it was cute enough for the night and did what I needed it to do. I didn't get any like sideways videos, but I will show you guys like a Snapchat video that I recorded while I was at the engagement party. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.